Question 31 on indices. Find the truth set of 9 exponent 2x equals to 27 exponent x minus what? 1. In solving exponential equation, you always try to have the equal base at both sides of the equal sign. So we cannot express 27, which is the bigger number, in terms of what? 9. So we break the 2 into a common base, which will be what? Base 3. And 3 times 3 give me 9. So we have 3 exponent 2 is 9. Then the original power comes. This is 3 exponent 3 give you 27. Then you include what? The original what? Power. Now, what do we do? Remember the law that says that if I have a base with a power raised to a power, the powers multiply together. Meaning 2 times 2x will give me 4x equals to 3 will multiply each of these power. This is let me bring it this way. 3 into bracket x minus 1 in that order, not only the x. So since the bases are the same, it is clear to say that the exponent 4x is the same as 3x minus what? 3 by expansion of that. When we bring in this, it becomes 4x minus 3, leaving the negative 3, making x equals what? Negative 3. And that is going to be the option D. And I believe this is also well understood. Like, share, comment, and come back for 32.